And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
I'm real happy to say there's some rain in the forecast. Very high confidence that everybody will have some rainfall. I don't think that we really get the true staggering rain total numbers that there are some forecast models circulating social media, but it is something, and that's something that I'm very happy about because we know we need the rain. Certainly some clouds now. We had some sun, and it was mixed with clouds through the morning, and it was really nice in the sun, and the cloud came, you're like, could you move? It's okay. But now we're pretty much overcast for most of the area, and that's the leading edge of a next round of rain in the forecast. Comes with the overcast skies first, and we'll track the rain for later after midnight. Now, today, there's a very light northeasterly breeze, and it's really cool for areas east. We talked about this yesterday. It's just 70 degrees right now in Plymouth. But go west, and we get closer to 80. In fact, when you have a setup like this, areas in southwestern Rhode Island will actually have some of the warmest temperatures, where it's 80 degrees right now in westerly. We do this with very low humidity. It's comfortable outside, feels good. Problem, it's been so good for so long, we haven't had enough rain, and there was actually an elevated fire risk for today. Not good to have that in August. That's not the time of year it's supposed to happen, but it did today. Thankfully, at this point, no fires reported. And overall, it's just been a very quiet weather day with clouds thickening up through the evening hours. I got some rain coming in after midnight. Temperatures fall back into the low to mid 60s. And look at this. Showers in the forecast tomorrow. All right, it's a little cool. It's breezy. Winds out of the north, gusting to 25. But look at the temperatures. You know, I think 60s might be just a little too cool, but we'll go like 70 to 75, I think works. And overall, the temperatures themselves are not going to be what you're paying attention to. You're going to be paying attention to how much rainfall falls in your backyard. I'm going to try to answer that question for you in just a moment. Showers and breezy in southeastern Mass. You know, north winds gust to 25, a little stronger for Cape Cod and the islands, where gusts could be up to 35 miles an hour. Temperatures mid to upper 60s. Still think we're going to bump a few 70s in the afternoon, at least low 70s. So satellite and radar, there's the rainfall kind of spinning back into our area. It looks really close. It'll actually take a little while to keep spinning. That's why I have it coming in later tonight. But already raining for Nantucket, who is just completely taking on all the rain this summer. Nantucket has like very little drought issues right now, while the rest of us are like pretty much in extreme drought. Nantucket just keeps getting rain, but Nantucket's going to share this time. The rain's going to work back to the west, and looks like just about everybody will get into some rain. It's part of an area of low pressure that will just kind of wobble around very close to the area and keep that rain in the forecast. You know, when you're looking at a picture like this of a storm that has all this potential rainfall, obviously, you want to max out what kind of rain you can get because we've been so dry, right? I don't think we're going to max this out, but we're still going to do okay. So Futurecast, as we go into tonight, here comes that rain lifting to the west. It'll be a very odd track, right? How often do you see the rain go west to east across our area? This is going to come back at us from the east. So it'll come from the wrong direction. When you're looking at your radar, you're going to be like, that's not the way it usually comes at me. Yep, well, tonight. Rainfall tonight after midnight. Then you get the rain through the morning commute tomorrow. A lot of you, we haven't had rain so long. You haven't had a morning commute with some rain, so just be careful in the morning hours. Some wet roads for the commute. Oh my goodness, it can happen. And then rain continues through the morning, and then eventually by the afternoon, we'll pivot north and then work on out of here by the evening. So it's like a period of like light showers throughout the day that just continue to fall. That starts to add up a bit. I mean, maybe again, not staggering totals, but some areas could pick up close to a half an inch, maybe even as high as an inch for areas east. You go west, though, the numbers are going to drop off. And like if you're in westerly, you're going to be very frustrated with this system because you might not even get a tenth of an inch of rain. Areas northern Rhode Island, 2/10, 3/10 of an inch of rain. Again, this is not solving the drought issue, but it's a step in the right direction. Also note, when we have the rain come in, the winds will pick up. I talked about how we're going to have gusts 25 to 30. Cape Cod and Nantucket in a wind advisory for those stronger gusts during the night and day tomorrow. Gusts 35 to 40 will be where the strongest winds will be. Once the rain is out, Thursday and Friday look good. Sunday, Monday look good. Or Saturday and Sunday first. Let's have a weekend first. And then Monday looks pretty good too. Some showers come in more at night and for Tuesday. And then temperatures generally in the 80s for your daytime highs. Tiffany?
Thanks, Jeff. Still to come on ABC6.